Have you ever wondered what Microsoft Excel is and how it can benefit you? Today, we will demystify this powerful tool for you. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program developed by the tech giant Microsoft. It plays a vital role in the Microsoft Office suite of applications, which are used by millions worldwide. Excel allows you to input, calculate, and analyze data with ease and efficiency. So whether you're dealing with numbers or words, Excel has got you covered. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly does Excel make our lives easier? Excel, at its core, is a data processing and presentation tool, but it can do so much more. Think of Excel as a Swiss Army knife for data. It's a tool that can be used in a multitude of ways. For starters, it's a record keeper. Whether it's tracking expenses, cataloging a book collection, or maintaining customer information, Excel's grid-like interface makes it easy to store and retrieve data. Excel also moonlights as a graphic designer, creating charts and graphs that visualize data in useful and interesting ways. Whether you need a bar graph to compare sales figures or a pie chart to break down budget allocations, Excel's got you covered. But that's not all. Excel is also a math whiz. It can perform complex calculations from simple arithmetic to statistical analysis, making it a favorite for engineers, scientists, and financial analysts. It can manage large amounts of data, letting you sort, filter, and analyze information to make informed decisions. In the business world, Excel takes on roles in financial analysis, project management, and statistical analysis. It helps companies track expenses, forecast trends, plan budgets, and manage projects. And in educational settings, Excel is a teacher and a research tool. It's used to teach students about data analysis and statistical concepts. Plus, researchers use it to collect, analyze, and present their findings. So you see, Excel is a versatile tool that can handle a wide array of tasks. But what are the key takeaways? Microsoft Excel, in a nutshell, is a productivity powerhouse. It's a tool that can transform raw data into meaningful information. It's like a multi-tool in your software toolbox, adept at handling a multitude of tasks. From creating simple lists to performing complex mathematical operations, Excel is your go-to platform. One of the significant benefits of Excel is its versatility. Whether you're a student crunching numbers for a science project, a small business owner keeping track of inventory, or a corporate executive analyzing sales data, Excel's dynamic features can cater to all. Another key strength of Excel lies in its wide usage across various fields. Its universal acceptance means that skills learned here can be applied in numerous settings, from academia to the corporate world. In summary, Excel is more than just a spreadsheet program. It's a comprehensive tool for data management and analysis that can significantly enhance your productivity. So the next time you have a task involving data, remember, Excel has got you covered.